Hey up guys, Dave here. I am attempting to write 41 songs in 41 days. The other day I was out with the dog, it started to rain, a common phrase came to mind, and that's the inspiration for today's song. Day 22, let's get cracking. Just hiding in the trees because it's pissing it down. You wouldn't believe that about 10-15 minutes ago there was no sign of it going to start raining, and suddenly the heavens opened. So the phrase is the heavens opened, because I think that's just such a lovely sounding phrase. Obviously it's a phrase to say that, you know, it started to rain. I don't know what this one's going to turn into, but I was just thinking that's a good place to start with this one. When you think of like just normal major chords and minor chords, they're only triads, so there's 3 notes in them. There's the root, the third and the fifth. If you just take the root and the third of a chord, it can sound really nice and it sounds quite melodic. So like there, I'm just playing 2 notes. I'm playing the A and the C sharp up to F sharp minor, so the 6th chord, root and minor third, then up to B minor, so root, minor third, and then I like doing this E major, the sus4 down to the major third. Just a nice melodic thing. I wish I didn't feel so bunged up still, because I feel like there's a better melody for me. Right, so I'm just going to strum the chords. I'm so bunged up. The heavens have opened and the rain starts to fall. The weather isn't the problem. Wearing the right clothes. The right clothes. To weather, to embrace the storm. Yeah, so the right clothes, to embrace the storm. The right clothes to embrace the storm. Really glad that I've just got that chorusy bit. And I like the fact that this chorusy kind of thing has the line that started with the heavens have opened. And I like the idea of the weather isn't the problem. Are you wearing the right clothes? So essentially what this entire point of this song is when you've got problems, you have to deal with them. I think that's quite a good sentiment for a song. I feel so tired, I'm finding it hard to think. Heavens have opened and the rain starts to pour. The weather's not the problem, are you wearing the right clothes? Okay, so I've had a little bit of a break, I've had a nap, so I need now is a verse. And I've just had this idea of like, sometimes it feels like there's a cloud in the sky with my name on the side, following me round, and I wonder if I'll ever be dry, something like that. Sometimes it feels like there's a cloud in the sky, a name on the side, and it's following me around, soaked all the time. Sometimes it feels like it should be someone else's turn. There's me against the something there, right? So I think I've got a pre-chorus there as well, which is nice because it's got that kind of you know, it's like classic 4 chord, D major to the D minor, so minor 4 to the A major, and I think I could take that to an A7, which could then take me back to the D major. It's like a puzzle, and I need to spend a bit of time on it now. But I know, and I'm feeling really bad that I had that nap now. But to be honest, I think I need it, otherwise I won't be able to get to where I'm at now. And I need to actually start piecing it together. This is going to be one I'll come back to tomorrow. I know it is. It's the next day now. And I do feel like I'm getting over this cold, flu, whatever it is I've had. But I feel like I'm like properly on the verge of losing my voice. Sometimes it feels like there's a cloud in the sky with my following me around. I'm soaked all the time. So that is today's song done, although technically it's taken me 2 days to do it, but I'm happy with it. To think that this started off with just like an idea about writing a song about the weather, the saying "the heavens have opened" has kind of inspired this song to turn into a song about, you know, getting on with life's problems. Now obviously, as you can hear, I'm not 100%. My voice definitely isn't, you know, you can argue my voice is never very good, but either way, I've put together a demo for you. Check it out on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.